What's up, guys? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So we have some good news, but also kind of sort of some bad news. So good news, third COVID test, trash can. Third COVID test came back negative. So we are in the clear. I can go back to school. Everything can go back to normal now, which is great. But it's also kind of bad because it means I got to leave behind Mustang motor. I still gotta take those off. I promised y'all I'd take them off. We're gonna do that like in 5 seconds. So we can go back to everything we were doing. Car shows, all the fun stuff. We can go back up with Price, all the friends up there, Kinsley. So we're gonna go back to normal, finally. I haven't told y'all, we have bought the first mod for the Mustang. The first engine part is on the way. It should be here in a couple days. It's already shipped. It can't go in yet, obviously, but we'll have it. In case it wasn't obvious, I still don't know what I'm doing at all. Like zero idea. Bingo. So the cam gears are also going to get replaced with the comp cams adjustable cam gears. I've heard that's the way to go. Now I guess they just pull off. I mean, there's movement. I don't really know what the procedure is here. So they do indeed just pull off. Come on. So there we go. A timing chain and cam gear. Ooh. Okay. Well, I don't know what to call this part. It's off though. So the whole timing chain stuff's off. So everything, this is all going to be replaced with Ford Performance or Ford Racing. The timing chain kit, we're just going to go ahead and do that preemptively. Just to kind of be safe about things, make sure nothing fails when the motor's already built, because I don't want to have to pull it apart again. I don't know which way I pulled this off. So now we got that off. Really, next thing is heads. I don't think that's going to happen today though. I think we're going to wait on the heads until next time. And we can't do anything yet. I mean, technically coming up soon, we could put new cams. Wait, what? I didn't. While we've gone this far, we might as well, we're probably going to go ahead and put the Ford Racing oil pump and an upgraded water pump in there too. I just want to be, preemptive with this, make sure nothing fails when we have it built, because like an oil pump can be a kind of catastrophic failure. So we might go ahead and put a new one of those on there, just in case we want to put some spinny boys or a blower on there. We will be good. We'll be able to handle it. The crank might not, but at least the associated parts will. Until next time though, we're gonna go ahead and cover her up. I know, I'm sad too, but I can't really fit it in the back of the Mustang, so it's got to stay here. Soon though, we'll get more parts for this. In a couple months, we'll start building it. Next time, we'll get the heads off, and then we'll probably take a look at the bottom end, see if there's anything wrong with there. I might go ahead and replace bearings and stuff down there. Probably will. Just some things that get worn out. I don't know anything about this motor, so I just want to be overly cautious and make sure it's built right and everything's going to withstand what it needs to withstand. Now, if you don't know, the bumper on the car actually has a broken bracket, which is no good, so it hangs low like that. I've been holding up with zip ties. Last zip ties broke. I made a little bracket. It's kind of rough, and it's made out of one of the throwaway Covert plates. But I think it's going to work. The only problem is my drills in Stephenville, so we're going to have to wait till we get back there. It's jank. It's really jank. But if it works, hey, it'll work. Now this is the part I need. It's that bracket right there that holds the bumper on. It's missing on this bumper. $45, so it's not terrible. It seems like a lot of money for a bracket though. So we're gonna see if we can make this work, at least in the meantime. When I do the wide body kit, there's gonna be a new bumper anyway, so it's not really that important. Mustangs, great for practicality and such. All that, hey, like a glove. In one of my not so proud moments, I left all the zip ties in the truck, and the bumper was held on by zip ties, which broke, and I don't want to buy new ones, so it's tied on with string. I really don't want to talk about it, but if you really do, you can talk about it in the comments below. That bracket's gonna be gone soon, don't worry. Well, it's getting to be that time. I gotta let the Mustang warm up for just a few minutes, and then we're gonna hit the road, and hopefully not run into any issues. Easy. To the kid that was standing behind me when I started it, I'm sorry, I didn't actually see you until it was too late and you jumped. It's my bad, I'm sorry. So this is gonna be a very warm drive back. As you know, the Mustang has no air conditioning at the moment. It's 85 degrees right now. So it's gonna get worse over the summer. prepared though with the water bottle, because remember, hydration is key. Not gonna lie, not bad, not bad. No, it's not a V, but still pretty cool. By the time I make it back, I'm gonna end up with a really nice tan, just right there. Just the left arm. Right arm's gonna be fine. Left arm, crispy. So I pulled off at Sonic for 2 reasons. Number 1, it's hot. Number 2, I'm getting a nice sunburn. And number 3, I'm thirsty. And I'm hot. And I want something cold. So we're gonna get a tea. Mustang's holding up though. It's still, even with it being warmer, it's not getting all the way up to full operating temperature, which is, I guess, I mean, it's not a bad thing. So I'll be honest, my back is soaked in sweat. So is my face, my legs, everything. But it's worth it though. And we got tea, so it's a win-win. In all honesty though, the Mustang is really not bad for cruising. It's really good, apart from the lifter tick, which gets really annoying. That's gonna be fixed when we get the new motor in there anyway. It's really not bad. And I did find a very nice way to describe the sound. So imagine like an explosion, right? And then imagine being inside the explosion. And that's pretty much what it sounds like to cruise in this thing. I had a thought the other day when talking to the guys at the detail garage. Might try spray painting again, just one more time. Might try the hood scoop here that's not functional. It's pretty rough. It's the worst part of the hood, and it's a small piece. We can take it off and paint it, do it the right way, and I think we can get it to turn out much better. And if it turns out really well, we can always do the hood, the roof, while we're waiting to actually paint the whole car. Just kind of hold things over, make things look a little bit better just for the meantime. Now I gotta say, whoever designed the whole cup holder location should not be allowed to do that again. When you try to shift, there's a cup there. Forget about, I mean, that first one, forget about it. You can't even use it. It's ridiculous. That's like my biggest complaint about the car is why, like, the cup holders are there, they're not even functional. For an auto they would be, for a manual though, you can't even use them. It's really annoying. As to the character though. So it seems like she doesn't really like starting as much when it's warm, so a little bit worried. Now I'm a lot worried. We'll give it another shot. It's fine, first time, we're good, we're good. An hour and a half. Let's go ahead and get this over with, get back into the sweat box. And I'm ready to get a shower when I get home. I'm so sweaty and hot. Fun stuff though, it's good times. Man, look at you being all technical with that, dude. That's the second ever Covert garage antenna ever going on a vehicle.
Look at that. It looks so sick with the black.
It does look pretty though. It's gotta be worth a lot since it's like 1 of 2 right now. The other one's right over there. Technically 1 of 3, just third one's not actually, you know, in play right now. So we did make it. Mustang did make it, did great. It was just warm. Left side of my face and neck is just hot and sunburned. It's the price you pay to play the game though. It does look so nice on there though.
I never put a gasket on. Did you put a gasket on?
Dude, okay, so I don't know if y'all, but this is the first I'm seeing with the new bracket.
This is not the finished product. My tools are in the truck, so I haven't been able to work on it very much. Rudimentary. This has got to be cut down a little bit. Some holes drilled, but temporarily, this is going to be the moneymaker.
So you heard it right here, guys. New product on Covert Garage. If you're looking for bumper holders,
Bumper bracket,
I guess. Bumper brackets, you know, hit them up.
Yeah, this is going to be on there. It's going to be for sale for $317. They are, you know, handmade, built to order. So, exclusive. All right, it's been a week. I don't think we should have any problems because it's not the Mustang.
Nope, you're taking the Mustang. This is not going to start. It's going to be like last time where you left it here and it wouldn't start again. Remember that? Remember I had to tell you?
I reject your reality and I substitute my own. First time, baby. It's the truck. All reliable. I gotta say, after that week of being in the Mustang, the truck feels so good. The Mustang's a great car. I love it to death. Daily driving though, the truck it's way better. This is where I'm gonna leave y'all for today though. I got a lot of unpacking to do and getting stuff back to normal. We'll catch y'all hopefully tomorrow though. We got some big things coming, like exciting things. We've been waiting a while for this.